In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few helpful pointers so you don't accidentally lose anything important. Start by heading to the main dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where your recent designs, templates, and folders are visible. If you're currently editing a design, close it or return to home so you're definitely on the dashboard. Being on the dashboard makes it easier to find the navigation you need next. Now, look to the top left of the screen for the hamburger menu. It's the icon with three horizontal lines stacked together. Click that to open the full navigation panel. This panel gives you access to your projects, brand tools, and account areas, including the place we're going to visit, Trash. Scroll to the bottom of that navigation panel and find Trash. Trash is your holding area for anything you've deleted. Designs, images, and sometimes folders. It's a safety net so you can review items before removing them permanently. Click Trash to open it. Inside the Trash view, you'll see a list of items you've previously deleted. Take a quick moment to scan the contents. If you notice something you still need, this is your chance to back out and keep it from being permanently removed. When you're sure you're ready to clear everything, move your eyes to the top right corner of this page. That's where you'll see the Empty Trash button. Click Empty Trash. Canva may prompt you to confirm this choice. Read the confirmation carefully so you're clear on what's about to happen. Emptying the trash permanently deletes everything inside it and cannot be undone. If you're comfortable with that, confirm the action. After a moment, your trash should be completely cleared. You might see the list refresh, or it may show a message indicating there are no items left. This is a great way to tidy your workspace, reduce clutter, and depending on your plan, potentially free up storage. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Emptying trash affects only the items that were already deleted. It won't touch your active designs. If you work in a shared team space, consider checking with teammates before clearing shared items. And if you routinely delete files, making a habit of reviewing trash before emptying can save you from surprises later. That's it. Dashboard, hamburger menu, trash, then empty trash. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.